landscape is incredible. The intermingling of islands with the sea. We have archaeology from the Neolithic, from the Iron Age, the Vikings. But the Orkneys are an archipelago of islands off the north coast of Scotland. They're fairly low-lying islands, so the cliffs all the way around, beautiful coastal scenery. There's probably 30 significant islands and you can visit a number of them. We try to fit in a number of walks, probably a walk in the morning, a walk in the afternoon, picnic lunch. There are historical sites to visit. Really, Orkney is preeminent in terms of really ancient history, the Neolithic stuff, similar age to the Egyptian pyramids, for example. For me, the highlights of the week would be the Neolithic village in Skara, which was only discovered in 1850, and the bird life. We see a lot of great skuas, Arctic skuas, so a whole variety of things.
So it's a good opportunity to see countryside as well as some historical things in the Orkney Islands. Yeah, I think I've been surprised by the accessibility of it. So the ability to get right into the sites and be able to walk around them and be able to touch the standing stones and walk around the Viking settlements. That to me was a bit of a surprise because I don't think you can do that many other places. I've really enjoyed being along the cliffs and walking along the cliffs. It's actually been wonderful for walking. Food has been outstanding and the hotel has been amazing. The staff here are so friendly and easy to get along with, and have Andy there to sort of lead us through things. I don't think I would have experienced that if I'd come on my own.